Hello guys, this is Roddy, a foreign trade salesperson who always likes to tell the truth. And this time I want to teach you how to find a reliable supplier on Alibaba. Now I'd like to ask you if you have encountered the following questions. Maybe the receipt goods are completely different from the goods present on the order page and in communication with the store. Another one, the price is clearly $500, but the price quoted to me after inquiry is indeed 10 times or even more than 20 times. For the same product, some prices are very high and some prices are very cheap. Why? And the last one, even the situations and occurs have paid all the money, but company can find it. Okay, so I will tell you what I have seen and heard on Alibaba as a foreign trade salesperson. Firstly, I want to explain the few terms. For the one, credit guarantee service logo. This logo is a comprehensive assignment by Alibaba based on each supplier's basic information on the international state and other information, such as the trade transaction value and the third credit guarantee limit, which is used to help suppliers provide buyers with cross-border trade security kind of service. The credit guarantee service can be simply understood as a transaction method on the international stage, which can bring more protection to buyers and sellers. The next one is Gold Supplier Logo. A Gold Supplier Logo is an export marketing and promotion service that helps the small and medium-sized enterprises to expand international trade. It's based on the world's leading enterprise e-commerce website, Alibaba International State Trade Platform. It displays and promotes suppliers' enterprises and products to overseas buyers, and then overseas trade opportunities and orders. It is a perfect network platform for export enterprises to expand international trade. And the third one is Verified Supplier. Verified Supplier is the comprehensive promotion since loved by Alibaba, based on buyers' the purchasing habits, and is aimed to help the companies quickly win the trust of buyers and promote the transactions. Using the Verified Supply service, in addition to enjoy basic membership service, the key information of the company will also be certified by a third-party international authority certification agency, and then explore through multiple channels on this website platform to truly and comprehensively demonstrate the strengths of the company and improve the probability of being selected by the buyer. The last one is a qualification certificate. It does not need to introduce too much, so to more certificates that have the strength of the enterprise to a certain extent, it's viewed through this location. Therefore, a real supplier should have at least the following sites. 1 is a gold supplier. 2, it has the verified supplier logo. 3, precise export license, patent certificate, honorary certificate, and other qualifications. So does it have to choose a gold supplier if it has all these qualities, or that it must not have the gold supplier if it is missing? The answer is no. The above 3 items are for reference only, but it's biased to have all the. Next is my exclusive little secret, which I don't usually to share. So find the supplier that you think is reliable Then how to further verify the reliability of this supplier? Generally, the content of the products should include the video, the parts, text, company introduction, after-sales service system, customer feedback, and product evolution. This is one of the reference. About the questions before we talked, some products are high and low product. About these questions, is a low price products poor? A high products are good? In fact, I would like to quality reveal to you that as a foreign trade salesperson, when releasing the products, price setting is carefully thought out. Generally, the price of the product can be appropriately used with several low price limits to attract the customers to browse the products. Yeah, so most products, the price is similar to the actual piece of the. Therefore, the level of the price will screen out customers with different consumption levels to a certain extent. If you are looking for a factory, then you can ask the sales staff to make a video call, which you can check the actual environment of the factory, environment, the conditions, and the personnel wearing the conditions, etc., which can also reflect the strength and the scale of the company to a certain extent. Well, having said so much, I've given you a few tips on how to find a reliable supplier on Alibaba. Number one, see if the company is a good supplier or verifies the suppliers. Number two, check the company's product's introduction page is incomplete and whether the video is actually short. 3. Take a look at the product reviews and content. Number 4. It is possible to visit the factory video. Now, last one was the warranty policy. Well, this is the content of the sharing. If you have any questions or problems about how to find the real and reliable supplier, you can leave a message and tell me. In addition, if you want to buy a digital cutting machine, you can also contact me. Okay, so in the next video, I think about what to say. So if you can like, subscribe, and share the channel. See you.